The rear automatic braking, or RAB system, can assist the driver when the vehicle is backing up. RAB operates when the shift lever is in the reverse position and the vehicle speed is less than approximately 9 miles per hour. If a risk of a collision with an obstacle is detected when your vehicle is backing up, the RAB system warning indicator will flash in the vehicle information display. A red frame will appear in the center display, if so equipped, and the system will chime 3 times. The system will then automatically apply the brakes. After the automatic brake application, the driver must apply the brake pedal to maintain brake pressure. The RAB system detects obstacles behind the vehicle using the parking sensors located on the rear bumper. To enable or disable the system, press the right or left arrow button until settings displays. Press the up or down arrow button to select driver assistance and press the OK button. Select emergency brake and press the OK button. Select rear and press the OK button to toggle the RAB system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.